What's up guys, welcome back to another Fortnite Battle Royale video. So I've seen a lot of people complain about the shotgun. It's called the Dragon. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's called the Dragon shotgun, something like that. But I heard a lot of people complain that the shotgun's really bad, and I even watched some videos people only using that weapon. So it's like really bad. So I decided to do that challenge today. And I really suck at this game and challenges, so I don't know how I'm gonna do in this challenge, so just wish me good luck. And yeah, so I'm only gonna be using the Dragon shotgun, so I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what video I should do next, and let's get into it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Lucky Misty is like really far away from the bot, so people won't be landing here. Because so many times like I have died because like Misty was a hot drop and everyone lands there, and the boss is literally just like walking in the middle of nowhere, so it's like really hard for me to get the gun. Yeah, so and I don't even have so much more. I only have 273. Why does it show that I have 0? Is that a glitch or something? Because I had 300 like gold. Nah, Fortnite. No way, what? Why is it showing that I have 0? This is a glitch or something. Oh my god, are you serious? Please say like if I land or something, it'll be fine. Oh my god. I bought it. Oh yeah, so it was glitched, like it was showing that I only have 7, but now it's like fine though. So I guess that's it. Just give me 10 years, I need to reload it. Oh, let's go! Oh my god, I actually killed him. No ways. I'm exactly 1 HP. That guy was lagging though. And even I'm lagging. There's a guy right here. Oh. Go. Oh, it's an actual player. I thought it was an IO guy. Nah, I'm running. Nah, I can't see. I'm gone. Oh, it's a llama. Oh, let's go. Come on, llama. Give me some nice shotgun ammo. Let's go. But it's not too many, but it's fine. At least we found a llama. If the llamas give you gold, I think like everything gives you gold now, because since the new update, like they made it, you can find gold easier now. So yeah. And like the really hard part about this challenge is that like you cannot even miss like one shot, because like 4 ammo per shot, like that's like really bad. So like you have to like hit all of your shots, even if you hit for like 7 or something, you just have to hit all of your shots, which is really bad, because yeah, my aim is not good at all. Oh my god, you swear. Oh man, like relax, yeah. Oh man, why is it people everywhere? Why? There's a sky here. And I can't even take it. No. Let me just pop this big part. Oh, let's go, you got him. No way. My man had a golden scar. Like, how bad are you? And he had a blue tack and everything, and a P90. Oh my god, how bad can you be at this game? Wow, how could he even die? Yo, but at least he gave me a lot of shotgun ammo. When I mean a lot, I mean like a lot. He gave so much. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to circle now. Hopefully we don't get beamed from the back, because then I can't spray them back because I have a shotgun, and this is like a really bad shotgun. Like the range is also really bad. Like you need to go in their face like a double barrel shotgun. So yeah, wish me luck. Oh, there's a person right there. I'm not gonna reload in there. Oh my god, this person's basing up here. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Why so many sweats, man? Oh my god. There's nothing too much G fuel. You can see that. Oh no. This is not good. Oh no. Go! Just go, just go, just go. Relax, my dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's nothing too much juicy. What? I wish I had that scar though. Like, how am I gonna survive this? Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna survive this. I'm definitely gonna get sprayed from someplace. Minis. Am I in the scrum lobby? Like, what the hell? We use everyone. Are they also camping like me? Like, these people are probably using normal guns instead of camping. Like, come on. I'm just using the worst gun ever. That's my excuse. Like, how are you supposed to push with this gun that takes forever to reload, and it does do a lot of damage, but you need to be straight into their faces. I just want to get this win. I don't care about how many eliminations I get. I just want to get this win. I can't. This challenge is too hard. Another person that's sweating. I'm just gonna run in the open, like, why not? Yeah, why not? Oh my god, there's more sweat in the front. Why is this sweat everywhere that you go? Oh my god, can you just start leaving me alone? I'm in a third party there. Oh wait, what? There's already another person there. I did not know that. I'm so dead. I just wish I had a long range weapon. Why am I in a scrum lobby? Oh my god, there's even another person here. Are you serious, man? Oh my god, can you stop with the third party? Please leave me. I must my shot. Oh my god. I just hate doing this challenge. Like, I wish I had a long range weapon. Like, why? Please. Can I just use a long range weapon just for like one round? Like, I can have an AR. Like, I'll have like a green AR. I'm gonna do that. Because this challenge is really hard if you're just using a shotgun. Like, look at all of these people. They're basing up with their snipers. What was I supposed to do? Oh. Let's go second round then. Okay, let's go. Oh, finally, Musty's not like a hard rock, but I hate doing this challenge so much. This challenge is so hard. I have to use another gun. I can't just use that shotgun alone. Otherwise, I'm just gonna die every round. Oh my god, and I don't have enough gold though, so like I need to go watch Cypher's video to check how to get gold quickly. Otherwise I'm gonna be here forever. Oh my god, here we go. How many tries has it been? Like 4 billion? I don't even know how long it's been because it's been like so long. Let's go though. Watch this, I'm just gonna land on him, buy the gun, and then we win. Come on, it's just gonna win this round. It's not that hard. It's just a shotgun that's like really bad. So I'm just gonna come land on this guy. Give me your gun, boy. Yeah, give me that. Thank you. Okay, I think I have one more try unless I find a lot of gold this round. Oh my god, did I just hear those henchmen? Oh my god, I can hear those IO guards. I'm trying to find some gold and everything, some shield, like an AR or something, and these guys are here now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't find anyone. Like, I literally didn't find anyone this whole round. I literally went through this whole place, but I can't find anyone. Which I'm not complaining because I don't want to find anyone. Because, oh my god. As soon as I say that, why are you such a swear? No. Please leave me alone. Is he just gonna keep on bouncing with that? Oh my god, he's serious. Oh my god, I don't have mats. Oh, let's go! I actually got him! No ways! No, I want the minis. No way, I actually got him. This gun's actually not that bad then. Oh my god, get destroyed. Oh, I can hear a person. I don't know where, but oh no. Oh, he's right here. Oh my god, he's a sweat. Oh, I missed. No way! He actually died. How am I winning these? How the hell am I winning these? Oh my god. I'm literally shaking right now. Oh my god. I'm going for the llama. I'm gonna go for the llama. Come on, llama. Tell me what you got. They didn't give me more chug splashes. I thought they would have given that, but they gave a big bot. I don't really want a big bot, but let's see. I know where this guy is now, but I don't know where the other guy is. I knew that was gonna happen. Who knew that also? Oh, the other guy's third partying. Oh no. No! No, 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 no. No! No, man! No! Man. I can't do this challenge, man. He was one shot. No, man, I can't do this challenge. It's so hard. Like, the shotgun is so bad, man. I can't do this challenge. Maybe I'll try it another time, but right now, no, I can't do this challenge. It's just too hard. I'm not gonna try this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what video I should do next. And I'll